Hello, my name is Georg Finder with Financial Education Academy. This self-protection information is brought to you by Gold Coast Insurance. I have helped many people regarding identity theft concerns, and now I want to help you. We'll share a little quiz to help you find out if you have some basic and important habits that help you reduce the risk of being an identity theft victim. Write down your answers to a few questions with a true or false answer, so you'll be able to see what your score is. Here are just a few facts that you might find interesting about identity theft. About 1 in 6 identity theft cases, the crime is committed by someone who knows the victim. It could be a family member, neighbor, or coworker, or someone who does business with you. It doesn't have to be done by computer. In fact, with the improved computer security of the past couple of years, the number of computer-based identity crimes has dropped, although the ones that do get through the security safeguards usually target companies with huge customer or member databases, so they may get 50,000 to over 4 million names of people to victimize at one time. There is a confusion of identity compromise and identity theft. Just because your name was in a database that was hijacked doesn't mean that everyone in that database or file is an identity theft victim. It probably means that there may be a higher risk. If you feel you are in a compromised or vulnerable situation, you can take extra steps to quickly react if you become an identity theft victim. The earlier you find out, the more damage you can prevent. An identity theft victim is a person or business whose identity has been impersonated to divert assets, use insurance benefits, use retirement benefits, gain employment, but not necessarily pay the state or federal taxes on those earnings. Thieves can use your credit capacity to open new credit accounts, including credit cards, car or truck loans and leases, and maybe even take money out of checking accounts or savings accounts. The thief steals these assets from the victim. We want to help you protect yourself against this kind of crime. Credit reports only reveal one kind of identity theft problem, the kind related to using your credit. This is an important area to protect, but it is not the only area. There are other areas of your lifestyle and identity that also need self-protection. Let's start the IDIQ quiz. You're the only one who will know your answers, but I hope you'll share this new information with your family and friends so they'll be as safe as you are. The higher your score, the smarter you are about identity safety. You can take the quiz as many times as you'd like. Visit our website at identitytheftexpert.com so we can help you minimize identity theft. The Identity IQ Quiz Part 1. Identity theft is the single fastest growing white-collar crime in the United States. The district attorney will prosecute a suspect in criminal court to recover your reputation. The district attorney will prosecute a suspect in criminal court to recover your property. Over 50% of identity theft is preventable by an individual's personal privacy habits. All complaints filed with the Federal Trade Commission are reported to local police. Fraud departments of creditors will tell you the name of the person or persons who stole your identity. You are not responsible for stolen credit card charges over $50 upon reporting it to the company. Once a year, monitoring of your credit reports will reveal if you're an ID theft victim. One-time installation of computer security software is sufficient protection. Creditors always cooperate with police investigations to catch an identity thief. That's true because not enough people are protecting themselves, and we want to help you increase your self-protection. That is false. District attorney will prosecute a suspect in criminal court to get them for breaking the law. That is also false. You may get your property back because of the police that cooperated with the district attorney, but the district attorney will not help you recover your property. That is false. You can't have an exact number because it will vary from individual to individual depending on the extent of your credit usage and depending on the extent of how many databases you're in. Absolutely false. They do not get filed with the police in most cases. That is false. They will not reveal that information because it's considered a violation of the suspect's privacy. We are all innocent until proven guilty. That is false. You have to do it in a timely manner. You must do it upon discovery of the stolen card. It's better than not monitoring at all. So the answer is true, it could do that, but you probably want to get your free credit report from each bureau once a year at a different time of the year. And I would encourage you to space them out so you can look at your credit reports 3 times a year instead of once a year. That's false because of updates. You must maintain the newest security possible. That is false. Creditors may cooperate with police investigations to stop the theft, but not to catch the thief. That's the police job.